If you're an entrepreneur, you know the deal. Passion is what gets you started, but it's the finances that keep the lights on. Today, we're going to talk about how to get out of that financial fog and into a place of crystal clear control. We're going to turn those numbers from a source of stress into your best tool for growth. Let's dive in. So let me ask you this, and be honest. Are you really running your business? Or does it feel more like the paperwork, the numbers, and all those regulations are actually running you? Yeah, if that hits a little too close to home, believe me, you are not the only one feeling that way. You know, for so many people, starting a business feels like trying to navigate a maze, blindfolded. You're out there trying to create something amazing, serve your customers, build a team, all while this mountain of financial and admin work just keeps piling up. It's a lot. And this is the reality of it, isn't it? Do any of these look familiar? Trying to figure out tax laws that seem to change every 5 minutes. The endless hours of record keeping. That little voice in the back of your head constantly worried about compliance, audits, or some unexpected penalty. Oh, and don't even get me started on payroll. Every single one of these things pulls you away from what you're actually meant to be doing, growing your business. Okay, so let's start cracking this code. And we're gonna start with the biggest beast in the room, taxes. The whole goal here is not just to survive tax season. No way. It's to completely flip the script, to go from feeling overwhelmed and reactive to being strategic and totally in control. So first things first, let's be really clear on what tax compliance even means. It is so much more than just paying what you owe. Think of it as a proactive strategy. It's about setting up your finances to meet every single legal requirement. And when you do that, you're not just avoiding penalties, you're minimizing risk and putting your business in the absolute strongest financial position it can be in. So how do you actually get there? Well, it really boils down to this simple 3-step path. Step 1 is strategic planning. This is the forward-thinking part, where you find all those credits and deductions that so many people miss. Step 2, accurate filing. No shortcuts, no guesswork, just getting everything prepared correctly and filed on time every time. And number 3, full compliance. This is your foundation. It's about meeting all those local and federal rules, which basically makes that fear of an audit just fade away. And this kind of expertise goes way beyond just your standard income tax. Take, for example, specialized rebates like the GST/HST housing rebate. I mean, this could apply if you've built or done a major renovation on a property for your business. It's the kind of high-value opportunity that's so easy to miss on your own, but it can literally put thousands of dollars back into your company. All right, so once we've got the big picture of taxes handled, let's zoom in on the daily pulse of your business, your operations. The objective here is simple, but honestly, it's revolutionary. It's about getting total financial clarity. Anytime you want it, 24/7. Just think about the difference here. The old way, you were chained to a computer at the office, drowning in manual data entry, and the second you walked out the door, you were completely disconnected from your numbers. The modern way with cloud accounting, it's the total opposite. Processes are automated, which saves you a ton of time, and you can see exactly where your money is in real time from your phone anywhere in the world. It is an absolute game changer. And the engine that drives this modern approach, it's these 3 core things. First, solid, reliable bookkeeping. That's the bedrock. It has to be accurate and up to date, no exceptions. Second, efficient payroll services, because you've got better things to do than worry about that. And third, financial statements that actually make sense, turning all that raw data into a clear story about the health of your business. Okay, so your taxes are handled, your day-to-day operations are running smoothly. Now we get to have some fun. This is where we shift the conversation from just maintaining the business to building real momentum. We're talking about making smart, strategic moves that don't just keep you afloat, they actually fuel your growth. And one of the biggest moves on that journey is incorporation. It is a huge milestone for any growing business. It can offer you things like liability protection, which is massive, and some pretty great tax advantages. But let's be real, it also comes with a whole new set of legal and financial hoops to jump through. And that is precisely why getting it right from day one is so critical. Having an expert guide you through the process means you're not just filing paperwork. You're building a solid legal and financial foundation that's designed for long-term success. You're setting up the entire future of your company the right way. Now, this is really cool. What if I told you that you could get paid for the innovative, problem-solving work you're probably already doing? A lot of business owners have no idea that their research and development could actually qualify them for some serious tax credits. It's called the SR&ED program. It stands for Scientific Research and Experimental Development, and it's basically the government's way of rewarding Canadian businesses for being innovative. But here's the catch. The process to actually claim these credits, well, it's incredibly complex. Knowing if you're eligible, documenting everything perfectly, filing it correctly, this is one of those areas where expert guidance isn't just helpful, it's pretty much essential. So, we've walked through taxes, day-to-day operations, and big strategic growth moves. Let's pull all these threads together now and look at the real transformation. What is the actual tangible value of having this kind of financial expertise in your corner? Hey, you don't have to just take my word for it. Listen to what a real business owner, Ava Wilson, had to say. It really gets to the heart of it, right? It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about the trust, the service, and having a real partner that lets you feel supported in what you're doing. And this is the end game. This is what it all leads to. You get to a place where your taxes are minimized, you're fully compliant, and your records are spotless. But it's so much more than that. You get strategic advice when you need it. You get genuine peace of mind. And maybe the most valuable thing of all, you get the freedom to finally truly focus on building your business. So I'm just gonna leave you with this one question to chew on. Imagine for a second that you weren't bogged down by all the financial admin. Imagine you had a crystal clear, real-time view of your company's health and a strategic partner right there with you. What could you really build then? What would actually be possible?